Hello from Dizzy's Old Key West Resort. We are here for a weekend stay. We're staying in a 2-bedroom villa, so I'm going to give you guys a full tour of our room and everything that's in here. So as you enter the 2-bedroom villa at Old Key West, you're going to have a closet here that you can use as a coat closet. Going forward, you're going to have a little spot here with a mirror, which is nice. Over in this direction, over here, you're going to have your bedroom, basically your second bedroom with 2 queen beds. You have your living room area and your kitchen in front of you. And then over in this direction is where you're going to have your laundry room as well as your king size bedroom. If we move down this hallway here, the first door that we're going to come to is the laundry facilities. So you have your own laundry room, which is nice. Full washer and dryer. You have an ironing board, all that stuff that you would need. And that's really nice, especially if you have kids, to be able to just throw in a load of laundry when you need to. As you come around over here, you come into the main bathroom. So this, you have a whirlpool in here, a nice setup there with a sink. And then you have a pretty large closet over here too. Moving into the bathroom, you have a nice large walk-in shower there. The toilet is here. And then you do have another sink over here. As you walk into the king size bedroom, of course you have your king size bed, and then you'll have a nice seat over here, another bench over here. And what I love about the setup that they have here is these are drawers here, and then you have some more drawers over here. So lots of different space to put clothes away, which is really nice because a lot of times when you're staying in a resort like this, you might be there for a little bit longer. Have a great view out our window here. There is a golf course here. And then we do have a door to our deck over here. As we walk back down, we'll go over to the next bedroom. So this bedroom is going to have 2 queen size beds, and then it will have a nice little table here with a couple chairs. And over in this corner here, you'll have another closet. So this closet is a really nice size. Good place to kind of throw in some of your luggage while you're staying. Moving over this way, there is a bathroom off of this room as well. So you have a closet. And then outside here, you do have a sink, which is nice to have. And then inside you have another sink, the toilet, and a shower here. In the main living area, you are going to have a nice big area with this is actually a sleeper couch. So this can pull out so you can have one person here. This is also a sleeper sofa, so you can have 2 more people here. And then you have a love seat. You have a nice big table over here for breakfast, dinner, whatever, and then a ton of space over there. You basically have like a little bar area over in that area, as well as a lot more cabinet space. You can exit out onto the deck over this way, and then as we wrap back around, you're gonna have your full kitchen. So this kitchen is great to have, especially if you have little ones, or you just want to take advantage of making some meals here, or just having a kitchen in case you do need something. So it comes fully stocked. You'll have some plates. There's dishes, or pots and pans, I should say. Washing machine, dishwasher, all those things that you would need in your kitchen. We'll head outside here to check out our deck area, and this is one of the things that I love so much about Old Key West is this deck area. It's beautiful. It's such a nice place to kind of just hang out, and you can see the golf course over here. And of course, just like any other resort, there are going to be different views depending on where you stay. So this, we get a nice kind of quiet view, but there are some views that will actually look out onto the Sassagoula River there as well. So that is everything in the 2-bedroom villa at Disney's Old Key West. This is one of my favorite types of rooms to stay at, as well as one of my favorite resorts. This was the original Disney Vacation Club resort, so it's a resort that has a lot more space in it than some of the other resorts do. It also feels super quiet, so it's a really great place if you want some place that's, you're gonna go to Disney, but then you're gonna kind of get that time to come back and just relax and unwind. If you are interested in learning more about Disney's Old Key West Resort, or booking a room, or just getting your travel plans started, be sure to reach out to KMV Travel through all the information below. We'd love to help you out. Our assistance is complimentary, and we also provide concierge assistance. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, let me know what you think about the room, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.